When it comes to choosing the best content strategy tools, Frase and BuzzSumo are two of the most popular options out there. But which one truly offers better content strategy features? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Stick around till the end because after comparing the strengths and weaknesses of both, I'll be sharing a better alternative you'll want to check out. Let's kick things off with Frase. Frase markets itself as an all-in-one content and SEO tool aimed at streamlining your content creation process. One of its standout features is its AI-powered content research, which helps you gather insights from top-ranking content and suggest topics to target based on search intent. If you're looking for quick content ideas, Phrase's ability to generate SEO-driven suggestions can save you a lot of time. Next, Frase excels when it comes to creating content briefs. With its built-in AI writer, it can analyze top-ranking content for any given keyword and provide an outline that's already optimized for SEO. You can even directly write within Frase, making it a pretty handy tool for those who want to write, research, and optimize all in one place. But here's the catch, it's a bit more complex than BuzzSumo in some ways, and its AI writer can sometimes be a little hit or miss. So while it's powerful, it requires some time to get the hang of. Now, let's shift to BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo has been around for a while and has built a solid reputation, primarily focusing on content research and performance tracking. BuzzSumo's real strength lies in its ability to analyze content across the web and give you data on which topics are performing well. It offers powerful tools for competitor research, allowing you to identify the most shared articles, blog posts, or videos in your niche. This makes it great for content ideation and trend spotting. BuzzSumo is also known for its influencer outreach tools, which can help you connect with key people in your industry for guest posts, collaborations, or backlinks. Next thing, BuzzSumo's reporting features are solid, but they don't have the same depth of content creation tools that Frase offers. For example, it won't write or help you optimize articles directly, so you'll need to use it alongside other tools if you want to write your content. BuzzSumo shines more when it comes to research and strategy, but when it comes to actually creating content, Frase definitely holds an edge. Another area where Frase takes the lead is its ability to analyze content intent and suggest specific keyword variations that might be worth targeting. This feature, combined with its content briefs, makes it a powerful tool for developing a content strategy based on what your audience is actually searching for. BuzzSumo, on the other hand, doesn't quite offer the same level of analysis around search intent. It does have keyword research, but it's more geared toward understanding content performance than helping you create and optimize content around specific keywords. Now, let's talk about pricing. Frase can be a bit more expensive, especially when you factor in its AI-driven content creation tools, which might not be necessary for everyone. BuzzSumo is a bit more budget-friendly, but you won't get the same hands-on, AI-assisted content creation features that Frase offers. Both tools have free trials, so you can try them out and see which one fits your needs best. In the end, both Frase and BuzzSumo have their merits, but if your primary goal is building a content strategy that's rooted in SEO and content creation, Frase definitely edges out BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is great for research, but if you want an all-in-one tool that helps you create, optimize, and track your content, Frase is hard to beat. That said, if you're looking for something even more powerful for content strategy, I've got a better alternative that I've personally tried and recommend. It's a tool that combines the best of both worlds, offering in-depth research features like BuzzSumo, alongside the AI content generation capabilities of Frase. And the best part? If you want to try it yourself, you can take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description below. Using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits, so don't miss out. So, while Frase and BuzzSumo are both solid tools for the best content strategy features, I highly recommend giving that alternative a shot.